Hi guys, welcome to Tap Dance Tutorial at Home. This is Anna, and today I have for beginners a workout to work on your step shuffle, hop. So if you are looking to improve your regularity and your speed, this is the right workout for you. We're gonna work with Drum Genius at 4 speeds on a 12/8. So are you ready? Grab your shoes and join me here. All right, guys, so remember, keep the knees bent and jump down, as opposed to hop like this, okay? This is, we don't want to do it in tap dancing. We want to jump down, okay? Don't put the heels on the floor, second stuff, okay? Hop, try to resist, stay on the toes when you hop. And now, as for the shuffling leg, you leave it forward, okay? Don't put it backward, leave it forward, and you just down, up. Remember the movement of the shuffle? It's down and up. It's not back and forward, okay? It's down, up, down, up. Hop, shuffle, hop, down, up, down, up, step, step, hop, 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 step, 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 hop, 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 step, 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 hop, 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 step, step, step. And you notice as well, very important, you need to prepare your leg. Step, okay, step, okay. So I repeat the exercise. So we start with hop, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, hop, shuffle, hop. And we're going to do it a total of 16 times, so 8 times each leg. And we're going to do it at several speeds. I'm using Drum Genius again. The rhythm gospel 12/8, and we start at 53 BPM. Ready, go. And a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6 and a 7 and a 8 and a hop, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle. Hop, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, step, step, 3. So hop, shuffle, hop, step, 4. Step, step, 5. Step, step, 6. Step, step, 7. Step, step, 8. Step, step, 9. Step, step, 10. Step, step, 11. Step, step, 12. 4 more, step, step, 13. Step, step, 14. Step, step, 15. And the last. Step, step, step. Excellent. See, it's not that difficult. Now we are ready to try it at 63 BPM. So, I pause a second. Remember, regularity. This is not the exercise. Okay, we need to hear ta 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 ta. Okay, ready, 63 BPM. 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8 and a 1. Step, step, 2. Step, step, 3. Step, step, 4. Excellent. Are you ready for a 73 now? And a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yay! And now ready. So if you start to be a bit fast, just go all over again, because repetition is the key. Now, if you're ready, we move on to 80 BPM. And a 5 and a 6 and 7 and a 8 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and one more time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. One more time. Yay! Very well done, guys. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Leave your comments, please. Don't hesitate to leave your comments. Give a thumbs up to the video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.